Hello and welcome to the final video of Color Your Voice Workshops, the virtual edition. Hopefully by now you've had a chance to memorize your monologue or poem or whatever spoken work of art that you've prepared, and you are ready to perform it wherever, and hopefully by next Friday you'll be able to post it right here on our Mountain Play Facebook page. And those details and instructions will follow by next Friday. This video is a little more useful for the virtual times that we find ourselves living in, and that is finding a location to do your recording. In this world of being able to record on your phone, you can open your Imagine up to anywhere around your home or neighborhood, wherever it feels right to place your spoken work of art. So you get to choose if you want to put it in your backyard, in the trees, or in your kitchen while you're cutting your vegetables, making a salad that you want to eat. From under your desk, on your couch, or on a hilltop. Now, this may feel like it opens up a can of worms and may feel daunting to choose a location and however many camera angles. So let's help you narrow it down. Here are some questions that you can ask yourself. When I envision the character or myself saying these words, where do I see myself? What's the most important message in your piece that something in the environment can help you with? You may try a thought experiment and imagine saying the most important part of your piece in different places inside and out of your house. The other way is to just try out your work in different places and to listen to what feels best. Figure out what angle you want the audience to look at you from, and keep in mind what's behind you and around you, and see what you really want a part of your message. I hope this week you get a chance to video a couple versions of your work, because next week we will ask for you to post everything that you've been working on right here on our Mountain Play Facebook page. Now, this month is the National Arts and Humanities Month. And what better way to show how much you not only support the arts, but how much you add your colorful voice to the world of the arts as well. I hope you've enjoyed working on this project. I know I've enjoyed working on it with you and with all the wonderful artists we've met along the way. If you have any other questions, please email us at info@mountainplay.org. Have a great day, guys. Have a great weekend. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. And hopefully we'll see some art and play next week. Bye.